Hello everyone. Today I am going to give you a PhD tip on how to organize your emails. Sometimes you have a lot of clutter in your inbox, and this inbox is Outlook inbox. There are some emails that you want to retrieve based on a certain category. Sometimes it is very useful to categorize your emails and give them a label. To give a label to your emails, you click on an email and you go to categorize, and you can either create a new category or use an existing color category. I created a category called PhD notifications. Once I label an email with a specific category, I can retrieve those emails using the search bar. I type category and colon with PhD, and what I get is a bunch of emails which are labeled PhD notifications. So whenever I need these emails, which are PhD notifications, notifications for qualifying exam, notification for proposal defense, notification for thesis defense, and seminar notifications. So it's very useful to categorize them, because at the time of graduation, I need to print copies of these notifications and submit them. So make use of these. Thank you for listening.